Hi nail friends, welcome back. Today I have an update video for you on these damaged bitten nails that I posted the other week. So this is what we ended up doing last week, and I'll show you what they look like when she came in for a fill a couple weeks later. So in today's video, I'll be going over how to do a nail fill on bitten nails. Stay tuned. So my client with the bitten nails from last week's video is back. We're going to be doing a fill on her nails. She only broke, I'm so out of breath, I'm sorry, I just got home. She only broke one nail, so I'm super proud of her. This finger here, her like ring finger, she did have a slip up and she did like bite that like cuticle area up, and she, you can see that's really tender there. I think she said like there was like some skin and she literally like ripped it off, and it's still healing from that. So I had to be super careful when filing this nail. And again, it's okay. I mean, nail biting, very hard habit to break. So the fact that she had 9 out of 10 nails on and only that one little slip up on that finger, still very proud of her. So I'm gonna go ahead with this extra coarse carbide bit, remove the top coat of the polish, and then remove the lifting on her nails. In addition to the fill, we're also going to be changing the shape of her nails. She wanted something a little bit more round, so I'm going in with my 180 grit nail file, and I'm going to change the shape to a round shape. And then I'm going to begin prepping the nails. My prep process starts with a medium sanding band. I'm going to use this sanding band on her exposed natural nail that has grown out. In comparison to the full set that I did for her in the last video, the acrylic application for this set was so much easier because it is a fill, so I'm not like starting new and, you know, I'm just adding in the acrylic to the exposed after part of the nail. So this service was super easy to do. Again, we saw a lot of growth and I'm seeing a lot of progress in her nails already from just this first service that I did. So I'm super excited and really like happy for this client because her nails are starting to look so much better in such a short amount of time. So I'm very confident that in like the next couple of fills we do, we are probably going to be able to take the acrylic off and just have her wear her natural nails, or just have her do like an acrylic overlay versus like acrylic extensions. So stay tuned for that because I'm still going to be updating this client's nail journey with you all. So I'm sure you've noticed that in the previous clips I have like a little text that says, you know, what bit I'm using, what file I'm using, just so that you can have on screen what I'm using, in addition to it being linked in the description box. But if you want me to be more specific, like exactly where I got the file, or like the brand of the file, you want me to include that in the video, like in the text in the video, let me know, because I can do that as well. I don't know, just something new that I'm trying out. So if I can use I would like your opinion on that and just some feedback. Do you want me to include in the video in like a text like exactly what I'm using, or was the, you know, my basic description of like the tool or item that I'm using sufficient enough for you all? So let me know in the comment section, please. I appreciate it. Okay, OMG, I just realized something. So remember when I was doing the full set and I put like so much freaking acrylic on that one like little nail? That was a nail that freaking broke off. So yeah, that freaking nail came back to bite me in the end again, because, and if you watched the previous video, I put this like big ass like bead of acrylic, and it was just like I was struggling with that nail and it was just a mess. And then coincidentally, that's the one that ended up breaking out of all her nails. So that nail really got to me. I don't know why, but I corrected it. This new nail here isn't as thick and is a little bit more natural looking, and I didn't have to do as much work to make it look good. So it's okay, you learn from your mistakes. Something else I'd like to point out about this set, I kind of said it on a couple of other clips ago, but again, doing this fill was such a breeze. Like, I think fills are just so much easier to do than full sets. So, because you already have the nail there, you're only preparing and prepping, you know, a part of the nail versus like the whole thing, and you're only adding acrylic versus sculpting an entire nail. So, yeah, even though again, she's a nail biter and everything, this set was super easy to do. And again, she maintained her nails so well that this set was just such a breeze. It was so easy. And again, the client is still really happy with the results and how long they lasted. She is going to come back in again soon, and I'm so excited to see her and to work on her nails again and see the progress we've made. So I'm going to keep you all updated, and I will be posting that video in a couple weeks. So stay tuned for that, okay? Going to use my hand file again to just like refine the shape of her nails, just to make sure the shape is exactly how we want it to be. So in this clip here, I'm actually painting her nails with a couple different like natural pink colors. I wanted to give her a few options because last time we didn't use an actual polish, we just used the top coat, but I have so many like really pretty like natural pinks that kind of go really well with like a cover pink acrylic color. So in this clip here, I'm just showing her, I'm just putting on like one coat of each pink that I have so that she can kind of choose which one she likes the most. And she ended up choosing this one right here that I'm putting on the middle finger is a color by Tammy Taylor. I don't know the exact color. I think it's called like French Pink or something like that by Tammy Taylor. So yeah, that's the one that she ended up going with. But I don't have like any footage of like me painting all of her nails because it's kind of, you know, we already know what that looks like. So yeah. So this is what she came in with a couple weeks after her full set, ready for the fill. A significant amount of growth, some lifting, but that's okay. All we're concerned about is the growth. And here we have our final result. Super pretty, so happy with how they turned out. Let me know what you all thought of this transformation in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!